I was just sent this custom water bottle for review, so let's check it out. Now, the reason why I accepted this bottle is because my daughter always decorates her water bottles, and for some reason, the one sticker that never stays on is the one with her name on it. I've tried a few, most of them come off over time. I've also tried writing it on with Sharpie, and that always comes off too. This water bottle is customized with her name on it. Let's check it out. Now, when you order it, you get to choose what the words are on it and the color. When I picked, it was black or white. And then, of course, you get to choose the color of your water bottle as well. Now, it has my daughter's name on it. It looks adorable. It's fully centered, but I'm going to put tape over most of it to keep her name private. So this is only blocking out her name, but it comes in a raised print, really nice, and it's centered and sized accordingly depending on how many characters you use. Overall, the bottle feels really nice. It has really great measurements along the side, and the top has a lock and a pop open. Not an oversized straw, but a good sized straw, and it has the silicone tips on both elements to keep it leak proof. Now, when you first get it, it's going to have all the decorative items inside. To start off with, you get this great fidget keychain, which my daughter will love. And you can just hook it right on with this large circle here. It also has this extra chain, which is easy to remove, but I'm going to leave it on as I know my daughter has lots of cute items that she would love to add to her water bottle to embellish it more. So that's on. And then you get a ridiculous amount of diamonds. Now these ones already have stickum on the back, so these can go wherever. But then you also get red, 2 different greens, an aquamarine, purple, pink, a dark blue, a light blue, clear, and then 2 multicolored diamonds in different sizes. Now these are applied with this tray and applicator, and the applicator can hook onto them easily using that wax, and then they can be stuck on these stickers that will stick to the water bottle. So basically you have your stencil and you can match it as you want. You also get this great Believe in Love sticker and these sea life creatures. This is fascinating. These are not stickers, they are actually tattoos designed to be put on the water bottle. And you also get a brush. She had a lot of fun decorating this. This is a really playful idea for birthday favors or any type of event, as it's an activity the kids can do with something they get to take home at the end. I also really love how it looks and that it's something playful that's all hers to take to school or wherever she wants. And I also love that it is truly leak proof and easy for her to open and close on her own. Now, one warning is this is definitely hand wash only. If you put it in the dishwasher or scrub it too hard, you will wash off the stickers and the diamonds and the tattoos. But if you take good care of it, it should last a long time. And I know that she's always getting new and different stickers, so I'm sure she'll just keep adding to it. What a fun idea, really inviting. Great water bottle.